Ito so-called during that time yung Constitution Malolos led by Pedro Paterno. Again, in this very same area, in this very same place, dito pinagtalunan at binuo ang mga umiiral na batas na kasalukuyan sa ating republika. No? Again, it is created way back September 1888. No? Noong mga panahon na yon, considered to be the president of yung tinatawag na parang kongreso, it was led by Pedro Paterno. No? Present time, tinatawag siyang Aguinaldo Shrine. It is the ancestral house of the Aguinaldos, particularly our first President of the Republic, si Emilio Fami Aguinaldo. He was born and raised inside Aguinaldo Shrine, which happens to be the exact location ng kanilang bahay ay sa Kawit, Cavite, kung saan dito sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, ibinagayway ang bandila ng Pilipinas, declaring the Republic of the Philippines as an independent state. It is the location of the so-called, at the moment, at present time, tinatawag siyang Aguinaldo Shrine. So it is the ancestral house of the Aguinaldos, wherein ang ating kauna-unahang presidente ng Republika, who goes by the name of Emilio Fami Aguinaldo, was born and raised in that ancestral house. So yung ancestral house na yan at the moment ay isa ng museum. So siya ay isang museum na pinupuntahan ng mga estudyante for educational purposes, sapagkat in that very same house ay iwinagayway for the first time, iwinagayway ang bandila ng Pilipinas sa kanyang balkonahe, no? Way back June 12, 1898, declaring the Republic of the Philippines as an independent state. Pinaka-significant. June 12, 1898, sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, iwinagayway ang bandila ng Pilipinas doon mismo sa bahay ni Emilio Aguinaldo, declaring the Philippines as a republic and an independent state. Ibig sabihin, malaya, may sariling estado, may sariling bansa.